happening party today. Party आज किस लिए पहले तो आप वो बताइए.
Well, it is basically a success party for Association of Vikram Fatnis and Nakashi.
Nakashi क्या है? What is the brand all about?
Nakashi is all about minute detailing. We are into embroideries and see our product. They are all good. आप देखिए उसको क्या बारीकी अच्छे से हम कर रहे हैं and we manufacture it at finest. We give our best. We give our 100%. And Nakashi is something which we define the beauty after the carving.
विक्रम के साथ ही एसोसिएशन क्यों सीखा?
Well, for every woman's dream there is Vikram's outfit, you know, for marriages and anything. Now we have selected Vikram because we share a same vision to give best to the customer. Even we have copyrighted our product so that the customer and customer get the original. What is new about?
और क्या स्पेशल होने वाला है?
Well, we are into this brand for 2 years. Now we are associated with designer. So, you know, customer will get a good brand out of designing a good brand, a good finish, and it's a very affordable level. And in a niche level, I mean, where is the brand in Athene? Where is the brand? They are in shirts, they are in trousers, everywhere there is a brand. Where is the brand in Athene? Nakashi is here.
बिपाशा बासु और दिया मिर्जा शो स्टॉपर्स हैं आपके लिए. उन्हें क्यों चुना आपने? किस?
Well, क्यों नहीं चुनता? She is beautiful. I mean, both are beautiful and they carry ethnic very well. And so does we. So why not Bipasha? We need everything perfect. And yes, we relate ourselves to our product. What I didn't get you.
कैसे कन्विंस किया?
Well, we showed कि हमारा vision ये है and it's gonna be affordable to every client and they agreed and you know it all worked out and they were the first choice and we got them. Thank you.
अच्छा 1:30 afternoon. I'll tell you one more thing. I'll tell you, yeah.
Rishita, you're here for Vikram Fatnis Nakashi's party. What is your idea of a party?
Oh, my idea for party is let your hair loose and not just party, but be with good crowd and good people who you know, get along with, and not just for the heck of it. So I'm very happy I'm here for Vikram and Nakashi both. And as a brand, both of them coming together, बहुत ही अच्छा है because it's going to be something. I don't know, मैं कहना चाहूँगी धमाकेदार, but I'm sure होगा ही धमाकेदार. मुझे पहले ही मैं ऐसा कुछ महसूस कर रही हूँ, so hopefully it's going to be that.
क्या लगता है किस तरह की डिजाइन पेश करेंगे विक्रम पर?
Actually, विक्रम की स्टाइल इतनी यूनिक और versatile है, whether it is Indian हो, Western हो, and he's designed some work for me also for some films. तो मुझे लगता है with his style and he's a very nice person, and you know that shows in the clothes that he makes, you know, the vibrancy and the goodness that he has in him. And I think Nakashi जो अलग style है, it's about a lot of embroideries and etchings and carvings and all of that. I think साथ में होगा तो पता नहीं क्या होगा, कुछ अच्छा ही होगा, ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा, अच्छा तो है और अच्छा होगा.
इनका शो कल है, आप कितने एक्साइटेड हो?
मैं तो एक्साइटेड हूँ ही, एंड इसलिए शायद मैं यहाँ हूँ बिफोर दे कम ऑन स्टेज टुगेदर. आई थिंक आई एम हियर ऑलरेडी एट द प्री लॉन्च ऑफ इट.
अच्छा, जाते जाते आपकी अपकमिंग मूवीज के बारे में जानना चाहिए.
वेल दैट आई विल टॉक लेटर. लेट्स बी विद विक्रम एंड नकाशी. थैंक यू.
Can you turn towards your left? Your left.